Hi, welcome back, guys. So, in the previous video, we would have seen the basic sanity around moving average crossover on a couple of Indian tickers. Moving on, we have fixed some of the bugs which were discussed earlier with respect to how we calculate the position size. Yeah. In the previous video, we have brought down the size from 0 to 1, and instead of using the position size, we have used percentage as the uh, standard for the calculation here. So by which what I mean is, just a recap, let me rerun this. So by keeping the percentage, we got to see for the ticker which is Cummins IND, there is 106 percentage profit between 2015 sixth month till 2023 ninth month. So this is the profit percentage we could see here. Yeah. Now I'm just thinking whether to go with capital based approach or percentage based approach. Please feel free to add. Please feel free to add your thoughts. Yeah. Whether to go with percentage based approach or capital based approach. I'm still thinking in between. So moving on, let's try to see. Let's try to basically improvise this code in such a way that instead of reading a constant or instead of reading a CSV file, let's try to connect it with the database uh, and try to read it from the database. So yeah, let me make those changes. Coding. Yeah, it took a little while for me to get back into track on this one. So have removed all the internal classes and some of the lines from the main method, and so yeah, we are not going to use the main method anymore. I have made the changes such that it the changes work on a Spring Boot application. Yeah, and have removed some of the sysouts and things. Let me start the Spring Boot app. Okay, the Spring Boot app is already started. Let me hit the API. Yeah, yeah. Now the data is being fetched from the DB, and instead of CSV files. All these tickers and the profit percentage that you see here are calculated based out of the data that I have from the DB. So let me explain, or let me take you through this logic in a little brief. I'll not be able to explain it in end to end, but yeah, I'll give a little brief around these logics whatever I have done. So for this is the result. I see RT India, the stock has given 90 percentage in profit, about has given 120 percentage, and ABC Capital 33 percentage, and so on and so forth. And one interesting part is this Adani Enterprises has given 947 percentage in profit. That's a really huge. Um, I'm not sure like what's the anomaly here, but let's check into it. Yeah. And there are some tickers which has given us negative results. Say AJANT Pharma and Aura Pharma, and Bandhan Bank, BAL has the same, Bosch on those things. Bosch Limited. This sticker hasn't given any promising result. And see, Castrol India has given negative. Coal India has given negative result. Coforge has given 238, which is exceptionally well. And Colpal is negative. On average, I see like somewhere around. Oh, okay, Escorts has given 345 percentage. Okay, Federal Bank 327. Okay, few of them are negative returns. I do not know like what would be the average around this one. Let's try to get the average. There are some, okay, JSW Steel 340, JSW Energy 495, Jindal Steel 316. Okay, okay. So to reiterate, this is some data between 2015 to 2003 September, 2015 June, July, somewhere from there to 2023 September, and it's like almost somewhere around Nifty 200 stocks. Maybe let's try and refine it with Nifty 50 stocks and compare it once again. Yep. Let me see. Yep. The I do not know what I think that the average is somewhere between 50 to 60 percentage per ticker per stock. I mean, let's check this further. Let's check this further. Um, Maybe in the next video, I will take you through a brief walkthrough. Not in detail line by line, but however like on a high level, and we'll further enhance the code to get the average out of it to see which stocks performed well, which stocks didn't, and maybe let's refine this for Nifty 50 stocks. Currently, this is Nifty 200. Yeah, let's do the same for Nifty 50 stocks and see how it behaves on the large cap. Yeah, thank you very much, guys. Let's see in next video. Please do subscribe, and if you like this video, please do like, subscribe, and turn on your notification to watch out for the next videos. Thank you very much. Bye.